Thank you.
You sent it in, did you send it? Okay, maybe it's
Yes.
remind.
Okay, while she's looking for that, anyone who feels that they still need some help, learning how to manage Zoom and Schoology, yeah, I think Schoology also. You can participate in the call lab classes, and they are going to help students for the next few weeks. I think 3 or 4 weeks in
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
in a class setting. But if you feel that you prefer one-on-one instruction, you would have to go to the Harvard Street building for that. So if you prefer to do that, you let me know and I'll make the arrangements for you.
Okay, thank you.
Good, I can't find it now. I know I read it in something.
I think here the one she said now. She has it by school email. That's what she said.
Yes, it is.
Maybe, but anyway, I can't find it. I know I read it like a long, it might be in WhatsApp, but I can't find it now.
I'm not sending any messages in WhatsApp because we did not set up a class account for WhatsApp.
Okay. Sorry, I'm calling you now. Oh my God, Jesus, sorry.
Excuse me 1 minute, class. Let me see.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
It's me, Miss Helen.
Mute my. What was that about?
I don't know. I just by mistake I called you. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, I'll find it when I'll ask you when I get it. I don't want to hold everybody.
Okay.
Sorry about
So
that.
any other questions before I move on? Okay, here we go. Let me fix the speed.
Miss Yolanda, one quick question.
Yes.
What is the Library Resource Center in Harvard? This is what you was talking about, and the Student Service Department?
About what?
It's in Schoology.
What about?
They say Library Resource Center, HSC. So I click in and it's nothing there, but I click in the other one and Students Service is a full, I don't know what it's folded for.
What is it saying about the Library Resource Center?
They appear in my screen and didn't have in that one last Friday or Saturday when I see it. They're new in my screen. That's why I'm asking you.
I didn't put anything.
Okay, that's exactly what it is. That was.
Oh, this is what you're talking about?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
It was on Schoology. It says Library Resource Center, HSC, Administrative Hall, Harvard.
And the Student Service Department.
Yeah.
Where is it located?
But we can see that after. I just want to know what it was.
Where is it located so I can look well?
It's just in the Schoology. You open and you will see it. Actually, it's nice when the first you open, they put in a poll. There's un poema, which I find it very, very cute.
For me, it says course dashboard. It says when you open Schoology, course dashboard, and then this is it. So I thought it was everything is changed. That's why I'm asking.
No, not
Oh,
seen
where
it.
you click to get into the course?
I
Yeah.
right before, yeah.
Yes.
That's not my
Yeah.
doing. That's not
Okay.
my doing.
All
I
right.
didn't do it. The school
right.
did that.
Okay.
The
Yeah,
school is
okay.
just adding the library resource center so you can have access to it.
Okay.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
That's good.
So you can go to Schoology, and instead of clicking on the course, you go to the library resource center and
Mm-hmm.
yeah. I don't see that, so I didn't even know that was there.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't see that either, Mr. And I was looking, but I don't see it.
Mhm.
There's no material.
You don't need it. That's why you don't see it.
Yeah.
Yes, for a student.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
I'll begin this lesson by opening Excel. I'm on the Windows 8 desktop, so I'll click the Start button, then the Excel 2013 tile, and I'll select the blank workbook template to open a new blank workbook. The main Excel window has a dazzling array of buttons, switches, and other artifacts. By the end of this course, they're all going to make perfect sense to you, and you'll feel really comfortable with Excel. But for now, we'll explore the big picture by looking at how the Excel window can be sized and moved. The details will come later. In this lesson, I want to focus on the three rightmost buttons in the top right-hand corner of the Excel window. I'll hover over each in turn to see the tip. The first button is the Minimize button. The center button is the Restore Down button, and you've already used the Close button that will close Excel. Let's first try clicking the Minimize button. When I click this button, Excel reduces to an icon on the bottom taskbar. And if I click that icon on the bottom taskbar, Excel reappears. Now let's look at the next button, the Restore Down button. When you click the Restore Down button, Excel shrinks so that it becomes a window on the desktop. When Excel has been restored down, you're able to resize the Excel window. If I hover over the right-hand border of the window, you'll see a double-headed arrow cursor shape. And if I now hold down the mouse button and drag, I can resize the window in the horizontal plane, making it wider or narrower. If I hover over the bottom of the window or the top of the window, I can resize in the vertical plane, making the window taller or shorter. And if I click and drag on one of the corners, I can resize the window in both the vertical and the horizontal plane. Now let's look at moving the window around. If I click in the top title bar and drag, I can move the window to any location on the screen. You might have noticed that the Restore Down button has now slightly changed in appearance and become a Maximize button. If I click the Maximize button, Excel is once again maximized on the screen. Let's now close Excel by clicking the Close button at the top right of the screen. And you've now completed Lesson 1.4, Maximize, Minimize, Resize, Move and Close the Excel window.
Okay.
Button, then the Excel 2000.
Any questions about that? Okay, so let us then look at, instead of going directly to placing windows side by side, we're going to look at all of the other options that are available when we right click on an empty space on the taskbar. Actually, you can get this menu. Oops. Go ahead and right click on an empty space on the taskbar. You should get a menu that begins with toolbars. But that's not the only place where you can get that menu. You can get that menu when you right click on the search bar. Go ahead and right click on the search bar. You can get that menu there. You can also get that menu when you right click on task view. And go ahead and right click on the calendar, the clock where the time is. Right click there. You can get it there as well. So an empty space is not the only place. You can get it when you right click on the, oh, why can't I think of that right now?
Toolbar.
On the caret
Okay.
in the system tray. You can get it there as well. So you can get it in many places, but not all places on the taskbar, but many places. So go ahead and right click anywhere you can get that menu. And let's look at toolbars. Toolbars. When you put your mouse pointer on toolbars, you can see you get address, links, desktop, new toolbar. So let's try the address. Click on address. And it's like an address bar that you get. You can,
Oh, yeah.
you
Okay.
can enter a computer address, or you can enter a web address.
What do you mean computer address?
Remember when we did shortcuts and it asked for the address of the folder that we, or the whatever we were going to?
Or the name of the folder?
No,
We can look for that? No?
no, that's not what I'm saying. I
Oh,
said
sorry.
that it said to write the address of the app, file, or folder that you want to make the shortcut of.
Oh, okay.
And instead of writing it, we just click browse instead. Because I said that writing the address, you have to know how to write the address when you're writing a computer address.
Okay.
Because every single file, folder, application on a computer has an address, just like every individual has their own address. Every individual that lives in a space, an enclosed space, has an address.
Oh, great. So from here, we can get straight to any west side that we're looking for.
Exactly.
Wow. That's very good.
Let's say if we go to, if we entered YouTube.com, YouTube, YOUTUB as in boy, E, YouTube.com. YOUTUBE, YouTube.com, and press enter. And it takes you to YouTube.com.
Oh, wow. Like it.
Yeah.
This side cannot be reached, it said.
You probably didn't spell it correctly.
YOUTUB.com.
TUB.
This one.
Oh, okay.
Mine to something.
BE.com.
No,
That's
it
right.
cannot be E on YouTube.
Mine
TE,
itself.
yeah, TUBE.
E.
TUBE.
TUBE. E.
YOUTUBE.com.
Yes, it's coming.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you could put that there on your taskbar, but look to the left. All your other,
Yeah.
the quick launch bar, the icons on the quick launch bar are not, there's not enough space for them, so you don't see all of them.
Yeah, the other things. Oh, training.
There's a
Ready.
scroll bar that allows you to see all of the icons on the quick launch bar.
Oh,
Okay, so let's see if we can find our empty space.
yes.
And then
It's submitting.
right click and put your mouse pointer on toolbars and then click address.
Should we close this YouTube or no?
Huh?
Should I close the YouTube?
Just minimize. Remember, you don't need to close anything while we are working. All you need to do is just go to your taskbar and click on what you need.
Okay, so you said address bar? No. The next one is when?
Right click and the address bar.
No.
Oh.
Right. But you have to be careful because there's difficult to find empty space on the taskbar. So what I did was I right click under address to find an empty space.
Oh.
Under address.
Under address.
Then
Not-
right click.
Right click.
Oh, yes, we get it. Toolbar.
Wait a minute. Under address, what is under address? I right click on just empty space. I got a toolbar, but I'm trying to.
Okay, do that. Do it there then.
Okay, so you want me address now?
Yeah,
Click.
click address.
Oh, it's gone.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's right click on an empty space again. Let's see toolbars, links. Links, if you want to put a link to something, we're gonna be talking about links in Word. So we'll come back to this when we get to Word about creating links. And desktop will give you a button where you can just click desktop to go to the desktop on your taskbar, but you already have a button to go to the desktop on the taskbar, don't you?
Yeah.
Start button.
Huh?
No.
Is that start button?
Which one?
Yes, top
Uh,
pick.
Which one?
Desk pick. Desk pick or
Yeah,
something?
desktop peak, yes.
Yeah.
Desktop peak. So you don't need another, you don't need two, all right?
Yes.
And then the new toolbar is if there's a different type of toolbar that you want to put on the taskbar. So we won't spend time with that though. And then everyone remembers what search is for?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Huh?
Show the icon.
YouTube?
What?
Yeah, it's we can do the magnify glasses. We can by itself, or we can take off the box.
Exactly, exactly. We can switch from the magnifying glass to the search bar and back and forth, depending on how much space we need or don't need.
Miss Yolanda, I don't have to state in my taskbar. Can I close in the address?
They already did that.
Yeah, but
Oh.
I didn't have the option. I put in close and doesn't do it.
You click on it, click toolbars and then click address.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Just lock the taskbar. Taskbar. So, Esther, what do you want me to do in the right? Close, or you say you want to put it in the?
Did you
In the
click
desktop.
address?
I click address, right, an
And
address.
it's still there? The address bar is
Yes.
still there?
Mm-hmm.
Well, click it again. Click address bar.
No, they give me a. Show this. I don't know why it doesn't go.
Are you going to right clicking, going to toolbars,
Yeah.
and then clicking address?
Mm-mm. Doesn't want to go. So weird.
Is anyone else having that same problem?
Yeah.
No.
She can click on the address bar and do undo. I mean, like right click.
What?
Undo.
Undo where?
Oh,
Right there in where it says address, right click on that one and then undo. There's undo, cut, copy. So can she do that?
Okay, let me
doesn't
see.
do it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I did undo and doesn't do
No,
it.
No, that's only available when you write something.
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah, and take a look from my taskbar.
Are you sure you're getting the toolbars?
Mhm.
Yeah, right here. Right,
If you click toolbar, you get address. You click address, it's gone.
Does address have the check mark to the left?
yeah,
It has the check mark.
yes.
So click on it.
They say the YouTube and library.
Click address. Click address.
Okay. Doesn't go.
Judita,
Sí, mi amor.
do right click on an empty space in the taskbar.
I don't have empty space. That's the problem.
Okay,
I thought you said you got toolbars.
I do have it. I have in here in the one that we open. They say address where we can go for the write the address.
You're not getting the toolbars menu. Go ahead, Christina.
just try to find empty space under the address.
Right click on the
Under
search
the address
bar.
bar and do
Right click on the
and do
search
right
bar.
click.
Oh, okay. I see it here. So the toolbar. There's two. And where would you want me to go now?
Now the toolbar you have address, link, and desktop, right?
Yes.
The address has a check mark.
And I go, okay, now it's gone. Yeah, I was in the wrong
Okay.
thing. Okay, so let me write down that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So to swear. Okay.
Okay, let's right click on the. Okay, so we already talked about search. Now task view button, show task view button. First, go to your taskbar and find your task view button.
I click on task view.
Just find it.
Find it.
Okay.
Everyone found their task view button? Okay, so let's right click on an empty space on the taskbar again. And click show task view button. What happened?
Going.
Going.
It's gone. Mhm.
Yes. Wow.
So let's right click on an empty space on the taskbar again. Go ahead and click task view button.
Appear again.
Yes.
And you can do, let's right click on the empty space on the search bar, click search. You can also hide the search bar. You see where it says hidden? Click on hidden.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
See, now there's no search bar, no magnifying glass.
Yeah.
No bueno.
Huh?
No bueno. I'm kidding.
Okay.
So we can take it back.
Yes, let's right click on empty space on the taskbar. Put your mouse pointer on search and click on show search box. Or whichever one you prefer, search box or search icon.
Didn't come. Let's see, search. And then, oh, show search icon.
Mhm. Okay,
Wow.
let's right click. Do y'all have right click on an empty space on the taskbar?
Mm.
Mhm.
Oh, I don't have Windows, show Windows Ink workspace button. Do you have that? Show Windows Ink workspace button?
Did we
I have-
close?
Yeah.
Yeah, in Word button.
Ah, I don't have it.
Oh, just a little.
Yeah, you can take a minute to see what you can do with that. That's very interesting. If you want something on your screen, if you want a picture of something on your screen, you can click on that and then drag across what you want on the screen, let go, and it will take a picture of, keep a picture of it, and you'll be able to save it.
Oh,
Oh,
But I forgot how to use it.
Mm.
It's on the computer in the classroom. I don't have it on this computer.
Can't get you, please.
Hmm?
This show Windows Ink workspace button, is that right?
Show Windows Ink workspace button, yes.
Thank you.
When I did, it came your screen and your picture.
Uh-huh.
full screen snap?
And then it allows you to save it, right?
Uh, where,
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. You have to,
yeah, I can save it if I want, yeah.
yeah. There's something that you have to click, and then you click, drag the area that you want to copy to make it, take a picture of, and then you let go. Explain how you did it, Worknesh.
I just, let me see.
Oh, okay.
I click the show Windows like link,
Mhm.
word space button, then it goes on the taskbar. There is like it ties a bow tie or some, what do you call it, kids tie. It look like that. Some pictures when you click that, it comes to, let me see. It says whiteboard and full screen.
Mhm.
Strip. Strip. I don't know. SRIP.
Snap.
So when I click the full screen, it comes your picture and your screen.
For the screen is nice.
Yeah. It says snip and sketch, and then you get a little pencil, that sort of thing on the top. Hide, pencil, bulletin.
You have to look on the system tray. It goes there.
oh,
It's like a clip, or I don't know how to explain. Small picture.
How can you get a small picture?
You
Right click on the empty. Hold on. Right click on the empty taskbar. You will see show Windows link.
Show Windows.
Workspace button.
in the
Yeah.
toolbars, you see show Windows
Show Windows
link
link.
worksheet button. Yes,
Workspace.
you have to click there.
that.
Yeah, I will click that.
Oh, okay.
When you click that, you will see some pictures on the system tray.
Huh? I will see a picture on where can I see the picture?
On the
I don't see
system
the
tray.
pictures.
Huh? Sorry.
On the system
Oh,
tray. System
okay.
tray.
Near the time, on the system tray, near the time.
System tune.
I got different altogether. When just like her, when I did a full,
Oh, I see what you say. It looked like a pen and
Yeah.
you can
Ah,
screw it. That's
Uh-huh.
what it is.
that's
Click
what I.
that, when you click that, you will see.
oh,
Oh,
white,
yes.
whiteboard.
Yeah.
Miss Yolanda,
But I did the full screen.
Oh, yes. Me too.
I got
I
all
saw
the
that. Yeah.
that on the top, like on a ribbon, and then you get colors, that sort of thing from the ribbon, and then you just draw, I guess. And so all that. Interesting.
Yes, Christina.
maybe someone can share the screen.
Can any, oh, hold on one second. Let me enable that.
Let's try
Share
that way.
screen.
Maybe we can do something.
Okay, can someone who would like to share their screen of what they snipped, their snip?
Everyone, I can share what I did.
Okay, go ahead. Do you see
They
share
allow me?
screen?
They
Yes,
allow me? Okay.
yes. You see share screen?
Yeah, I did.
Click on it.
Did you see?
Ah, yes. Ah,
Okay.
That's beautiful.
yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And there's a piece in it where you can select, let's say I wanted a picture of just myself. I can use it and just cut out a picture of myself.
Correct?
Click where it says new. Where it says new?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Yeah.
Miss Yolanda,
Okay.
Click.
request the remote control.
Oh, okay. Where?
On the view options,
View.
options.
Where?
At the top of the screen.
I don't
At the
have
top
that.
of the top of the screen, there are
View
two
options.
buttons.
Okay.
One says
View
view
options.
options.
Request, okay, request remote. You are about to request remote control of Worknest, Lucas. Share. Okay, go ahead, Luke. Worknest. Do it again.
Oh, do it again.
Yeah, new.
It says you're done, Rose. Okay. Okay, let me see.
Click new.
New?
Yeah.
On the top? Okay.
It's not doing it.
Yeah, there is this Yolanda.
Approve. Click
Yeah.
approve. Click approve where it says Yolanda Rose-Ellis.
I did.
Okay.
Now it's yours.
Show it again.
Trying
It's
to
gone.
create a screen snip.
Yeah, it's gone. Oh.
It's gone.
Warners, do you have the option share screen?
Okay, there it is.
Okay, there it is.
Okay, here, you click here, new. Oops, draw shape.
Draw.
Oh,
Great.
okay, and let's say I want this. If I want this, I just select this.
Okay.
Is everyone seeing that? I select
Yes.
that.
Yes, yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, see that?
That's nice. Yes.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
While, how did she took your pictures? I mean, up to this page, I got it, but I don't know how she got your picture.
Can you show it again, Workdash? I'm gonna close this, right? I'm gonna close this.
Okay.
Show it again, how you did it.
What I did is I right click on the empty space of taskbar.
Okay.
Then there is, it says show Windows link
Yeah.
workplace button.
Okay.
Click that.
Mhm.
When you click that, you will see some like a bow on the system tray.
But you have to be careful. If it already had a check mark, that means you remove the check mark and you're not seeing it
Yeah.
anymore.
Okay. Oh, you click on
you-
that. Mhm.
You see some bow?
Yes.
Then click that.
Mhm.
Then it says full screen.
Okay.
Click that.
Okay. I'm just watching yours. Okay.
Did you do? When you do that, you will see it.
Okay. All right.
Window and okay.
When I click mine, there's no picture.
As she said, hold on.
It's going to take a full screen snip of your picture of your complete screen when you click that.
Yes.
Oh.
Nice. Okay.
Okay.
Then,
So whatever is on a full screen, that's what it takes, because mine is like the lesson plan was on, and that's what I keep on watching, and that's why I was confused. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Mhm.
okay.
Worknesh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You want me to do something?
No, that's okay. I was just wondering because you had right clicked and stopped.
Yeah, I told them to right click, but it says show Windows link.
Okay.
Workspace. Yeah, that has to have a mark.
Oh.
Right. It has to have that check mark to the left.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
When you have that on the system tray, you will see like a small bow picture. Just click that.
Okay. All
when
right.
you click that, click full screen.
Okay.
Go ahead and click Worknesh. Click it, Worknesh. And this is what you get.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I want to say
Thank you.
how to cut myself and paste. The next, just as you did, you then just now you say you can cut one, right?
Right. You go up to the upper left corner where it says new.
Yes.
Click new.
Okay.
And then snip now. And then you select snip now. And then you go and you select the one that you want. And just drag across what you want.
Yes.
And let go. And there you go.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you don't want it, you're just using the scissor to erase it.
Right, what you want.
Okay.
Okay. So, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Worknesh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
My goodness.
So Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and right click on an empty space on the taskbar. And then the next thing we have is show touch. Do you have show touch keyboard button?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, click on that.
Mhm.
I
And
have
you
question,
see,
Miss Orlando.
uh-huh.
I have to out from show window ink workshop, or I leave like that before I start show touch keyboard.
Show window what?
Show window ink workshop. I go out.
Yes.
First.
You can close the show window ink.
Okay.
And if you don't want to keep that, let's right click on an empty space on the taskbar and click show Windows ink workspace button so that you don't see that anymore if you don't want to see it anymore. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
If you want to keep it, don't click on it.
Okay.
So everyone sees the keyboard to the left of the calendar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead and click on it. And there's our keyboard. And if you have your laptops, that means that your laptops have touch screens or touch screen, right? So instead of using the keyboard, you could use this virtual keyboard and just click on whatever you need there rather than using the keyboard.
So, question.
Yes.
So if I wanted to write my name right now, what do I do?
Begin typing.
On the keyboard or on the touch?
I don't know where it will show.
Yeah, let's see where it show. I did my name.
Where does it show?
I don't see it where they show.
Okay, you need something like Word or Notepad or PowerPoint or something like that.
Okay, to do that. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So need application to using the keyboard.
Right, exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, click the X above to the upper right of the keyboard to close it. And then right click on an empty space on the taskbar and click show touch keyboard button and it's gone. Right click on an empty space on the taskbar and you'll see that now we are going into a separate section. In this section, we have cascade windows, show windows stack, show windows side by side, show the desktop. So what we are going to do, you already have, I think, your browser open. You already have Zoom open. So click in the search, bar, type Word. And at the top, you should see Word 2016. Click Word 2016. click blank document and minimize. And then in the search box again, type File Explorer. All you have to do is type F, and you should see File Explorer at the top. Click on it. And then minimize it. And let's do one more. If you don't have your browser open, open your browser.
The browser is Google
Which one?
Chrome.
Yes.
I'm sorry? What was his question?
The browser is Google Chrome.
Oh, okay.
Yes, open Google Chrome. And let's do one last one. Let's do Excel. Excel. Enter an E and click Excel 2016. You might have to enter an X. 2016. And minimize. So, okay. So now we are going to, we're going to maximize Word. Go ahead and click on Word from the taskbar. Then go to Excel. Click on Excel from the taskbar. Click blank workbook for Excel. If it's not maximized, maximize it. Then click on File Explorer. If it's not maximized, maximize it. And click on your browser. If it's not maximized, maximize it. So, everyone okay? Everyone okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's right click on an empty space on the taskbar. We're going to choose the first one, which is Cascade Windows. Go ahead, click on that.
Wow.
When you click Cascade Windows, it's like think of it as a waterfall cascading down.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
You can see the top part of the waterfall. My top one is Zoom meeting. And then you can see the second window, which is my Word. You can see the third, which is Excel. This is mine. Yours might be different, okay?
Same thing.
Okay, and then File Explorer.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's in alphabetical order. You see that? It's in, yeah, Zoom, Word, Excel, File Explorer, ABCD.
Where do I click, please, to have all those things?
Huh?
I don't have it.
You don't have what?
The side by side.
Side by
Did
side.
you do Cascade?
No.
You have to do right click. Right click.
On the empty space.
Yes.
Okay.
And click Cascade Windows.
Okay. I see.
So if you want to see Word, click on Word and you can see the whole window. Now it's going to be difficult to see the other one, so you have to find any corner where the other ones might be showing.
Mm-hmm.
And see if you can find Excel and click on it. Then see if you can find File Explorer. Click on it. And then see if you can find your browser. Click on it.
Oh, you can't.
Something
Yes.
is not visible. Okay. Oh no, there's File Explorer, there's Word, okay, so all of mine are visible now.
And also when I click, like last time you teaching us how move the documents with the name in the top, for
Yes.
example, Google search. So just moving a little bit down so I can see what I have behind.
No, that's not the point. It's not for you to be able to move it. The point is for you to be able to click on to see, to find each one, because you're able to find each one just as they are.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, just as they are like that, you're able to find each one.
Yeah.
But when it has a full screen, I cannot. Oh, I cannot
No,
really
if
see
you're
it.
cascading, you don't have full screen.
Yeah.
No. When I do the full screen in the document.
If you're doing full screen, maximize, you can't see anything else.
Exactly.
It's only one
Okay.
screen you can see.
Okay.
You would have to go to the taskbar to see any other window that's open.
Yeah, but I can see the. Did you say?
Yeah, just you look around when it's cascaded. You just look around, and you'll be able to find a little piece of each window.
Yeah.
Okay, any questions?
No.
Okay, let's right click. Now let's look at them stacked. Click Show Windows Stacked.
Oh, put it on the side.
Stacked.
Yeah, stacked. They are one on top of each other.
Yes.
On top of each other. Okay, so now we are going to minimize. You're going to minimize the browser. And you're going to minimize Word.
Okay, you said minimize the browser and Word. Okay.
Yes, so now you have what on the screen?
File, Excel, video.
Yes, File Explorer and Excel.
Excel.
So now let's minimize Excel and File Explorer, because I want to show you what happens when everything is minimized. Right click on an empty space on the taskbar. And what do you see? Can you cascade?
Cascade window. Yeah.
Can you cascade?
Yes.
You can
No,
cascade?
No, it's not right. No, the right is gone.
No, it's grayed out. You can't do it. Can you show windows stacked?
No.
Can you show windows side by side?
No.
No, you can't do it. So the windows have to either be maximized or restored down. They cannot be minimized. Okay?
Mm.
So let's go ahead and which ones did we have? File Explorer?
Word,
No,
Excel.
no, Excel. Click File Explorer from the taskbar and
Okay.
click Excel from the taskbar.
Okay.
So now let's right click. Tell you what, let's drag Excel and put it in the middle. And let's drag File Explorer and put it in the middle. Okay?
How can I,
Everyone got that?
how can I grab?
From where the title is, where you see File Explorer, click, hold, and drag. Where you see Book 1 Excel, right there, click, hold, and drag it to the middle of the screen.
Okay,
You got it?
yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so now we are going to right click on an empty space on the taskbar. And we're going to look for show windows side by side. Click show windows side by side. Did one window complete half of the screen and the other window complete the other half of the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Anyone didn't?
Mine is the same, but mine is up and down. Like File Explorer on top and then
Listen to my question. There's one window the complete half of the screen and the other one the complete half of the screen?
Not mine.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, it is.
Well, it's
Ma-
already was there.
Huh?
It's already was there, and the way they're putting half on half. And
No, it couldn't have been the
No.
same way.
so when you need to do a right click, right? In the desktop.
On the you mean the taskbar?
On the taskbar. Okay, so the way we go. Show window by side. Okay, yeah, now I see it. They go by side.
Okay, so
No.
those of you, because sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. If you see my screen,
Yes.
mine didn't, right? So what that means is I have to move the windows so that they are side by side. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click up here where it says Book 1 Excel. I'm going to click up there. Now that one is active. I'm going to look for the Windows screen, the Windows key on the keyboard. I'm going to press that, then I'm going to press the right arrow key. Everyone heard that? Everyone heard that?
Yes.
Yes,
I click one of them, then I click the window key and the right arrow key and put that to the right. And now on the left, it's like task view. It shows me all the open windows. And now it's asking me which one I want to be on the left side. So I'm going to click File Explorer to be on the left side and there. Now they are side by side. Those of you who didn't get the perfect side by side, do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Go ahead and try.
Okay, so what was the first thing?
I did it.
Click one window,
Okay.
then press the Windows key and the right arrow key.
Yeah, it does.
And then you see all the other windows on the other side. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes.
So click on the window that you want to be on the left side. Click on it and it will be fully on the left side. You got it?
What arrow key? What?
Miss
What's that?
Yolanda.
Yes.
Also, we have an auction normally what I do when I want to see my Schoology and what you was doing, I can put in when it's your screen, we have the view auctions and they give you auctions side by side also mode. This is normally what I was doing, good at learning how doing this one, but this is what I used to do for back and forth for Schoology or whatever you want project you want to working on.
Yeah.
So that's an easy way, I guess, to when we in class, we just go in there.
Yeah.
You see where it's view auctions. So the little arrow and right there they give you. Just say for the other because I know that you know. And side by
No, I
side.
don't. I've never used it.
Okay. You never use it?
No, I don't need to use it.
Okay. Oh, that's true. Don't forget you.
Yeah.
No, but I just say this is how we've been doing the class. That way I don't missing you, and then I can go and working in my Schoology. They don't take my whole screen, so I basically share my screen.
That's perfect. Everyone heard that?
I heard, but I didn't get it. I didn't get used to it. So.
It's
Okay,
in
have a good
Zoom.
day.
It's in Zoom that she does it. Instead of doing it from the taskbar, she does it in Zoom, and it lets her view her windows side by side. And where do you see it, Judita?
It's in the top, where it's a green line. They say view Yolanda Rose, and they say view auctions. So they have a little arrow, and then you say side by side mode. So you have to have a Schoology or anything that we're working on. The document. So the
Continue.
Where is it?
Me?
On the top.
In the top, they say view auctions. In the Miss Yolanda screen, like you looking at Miss Yolanda right now, and then you say view auction. It's a little green line after it say view auction. The little arrow, and they give you the whole thing that you can do, but it's the side by side mode. I think when we in class,
you have to be in Zoom.
You have to be in Zoom in the class.
I understood, but it doesn't do anything. I did it, but it doesn't.
Because you need to have an open document like Schoology.
Do you have it maximized?
Yeah.
Oh.
Maximize. Let me see. Let me try that. Okay. Oh my God. It's done.
It does for me. It said you just using the little arrow to put in the same side, the one that has the Miss Yolanda.
Okay.
You got it?
Not really. If I maximize it, I cannot see zoom. It covers, so I don't know.
No, click from the taskbar. If you have it maximized, click from the taskbar to get to zoom. Click on zoom from the taskbar.
Eh. Okay, let me try it 1 minute.
I don't know why, but it doesn't do anything for me.
It
either.
doesn't do anything.
That's for
When
me.
I just put side by side, the only thing that gives me is the pictures at the size of the document that you are sharing.
It does to me too.
But you need to have another document open like Schoology.
Yeah, I have it.
You have it? Well, that's for me. They give it side by side.
Mine
Let me
didn't do
try
it.
again.
I do it. I've been doing it the whole class when we are in videos or anything. I can see what Miss Yolanda doing, or and that way I can do it in my in whatever Schoology they were doing.
Okay.
But I don't know why it doesn't doing on yours.
Oh,
I think it's very easy, but it has to be in Zoom and the meeting Zoom, and they give you the option. Huh?
It's when you open two windows.
that's
You
for
can
me.
open
Yeah,
Schoology.
yeah, we
Zoom,
already in
then
the
you do
meeting
it.
Zoom.
Miss Yolanda,
Mm-hmm.
you can try to do it. Just stop share screen and you can try to do it.
No, I don't get the option.
You don't get the
No, I
option.
do.
Oh, let me 1 sec. Oh, let me 1 second, Miss Yolanda. I'm gonna share one screen and then maybe you can find the option.
Okay.
You got the option now?
Oh, yeah, side by side speaker, side by side gallery, side by side speaker. Oh, okay.
You see it?
But this is what's being shared and the view of all the videos.
Mm-hmm.
This is not like you working on your work and seeing what's being shared in Zoom.
Well, yes, you can do it because when I'm side by side, I open my Schoology and you say go to Word, and I can work in Word doing the same thing. So that for me work. I've been doing the whole class like that because that way I don't miss you and I don't miss the class. Also, when you in the full screen, you have also
Yeah, she does. I got
side
it.
by side.
Yeah, it does.
You see it. You have to. Yeah, I guess.
It's different for me being a host. I'm not able to do a lot of things that you're able to do. Yeah.
Well, I just say it's an option, but it's good. Well, like you say, we have to learn it the right way. I don't think so. This is the wrong way. It's just actually I discover, and I find it very useful for me for the class. Yeah, I can go to anywhere that you ask me to go, and I can see you do why you do it.
Right.
Help me a lot.
Yeah. Mhm.
I'm gonna stop sharing, Miss Yolanda.
Okay. So those of you who are able to do it can do it that way. Those of you who are not able to do it can use the taskbar to do side by side.
Yeah.
Miss Yolanda,
Yes.
can you please repeat the taskbar part to do side by side?
Please
The
send it.
reason I'm asking is mine is like when you said I followed you, but instead of side by side, it stopped. Like Word is, File Explorer on top, and then what do you call it? The other one, and Excel on the bottom.
And you didn't follow when I said to press the Windows key and right arrow?
No, probably not. Windows key. Where is the Windows key?
I follow you, the right arrow. I do that, but it didn't happen like yours.
You have to press and hold the window keys. Press and hold the window keys and,
Where's the window key? I'm
and
sorry.
then press on the keyboard. And then press the right arrow key.
Okay, let me try.
Oh, and press that one and do the right arrow.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. So, okay. Okay, so we are going to,
got it.
You still have, okay, we're gonna do the Word and the browser. We're gonna do Word and the browser this time. So what's the first thing you have to do?
Word.
Minimize.
Minimize.
No, that's what you don't want to do.
No, click them and we can restore that.
Right, you
Maximize
either have it maximized or restored down. So go ahead and do that.
Okay, I'm maximized.
Maximize.
I maximized. I restored down.
Maximize.
Okay, you can have them maximized or restored down, but go ahead and maximize them. Maximize them.
Okay, you said the Google Chrome and the other one is Word, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
No, Google Chrome and Word, yeah.
Okay. All right, let me maximize it. Already, I maximized both of them.
Okay, then go to an empty space on the taskbar, right click.
Okay.
And look for show window side by side.
Okay. Click it.
Click it. So now, how many windows do you have?
2
I have
plus yours, 3.
4.
Yeah,
No, we only want 2 windows.
Yeah, we have 2 windows.
2 windows.
And the Word.
We only want 2 windows. Okay?
Yes.
So if it's not, is it side by side? One is totally the whole half side and the other one is completely the whole half side.
Yes.
If you don't have it that way, what you want to do is the one that you want to be on the right-hand side, you click the top to select it. And then look for the Windows key on your keyboard. And look for the right arrow key on the keyboard. Don't press them yet. I just want you to know where they are. and then press the Windows key, then press the arrow key. But you press the Windows key and hold it while you press the arrow key. Windows, hold, arrow. Whoops, let me select this again. Okay, and that window goes to the right side.
Yes.
And then click on the, you have an option of all the other windows, right?
Yes.
So click on the one that you want to go on the left.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay, let's right click on an empty space on the taskbar. And you can see the next one is show the desktop. So if you don't want to use Windows Peek, desktop peek, you can click show the desktop from here. Go ahead and
Good.
click show the desktop. There you go.
Everything is gone.
Yeah.
And because you have to
Yeah.
show it.
Yeah, now click desktop peek to get back everything that you were looking at.
Comes
See?
back.
Yes.
Comes back. Yeah.
Yes. Any questions? Okay, let's right click. And then we have Task Manager. Task Manager, click Task Manager. Do you have Task Manager? I don't think you have Task Manager.
Yes, we do.
Yes.
Oh, you
Yes,
have
I
Task
have.
Manager.
We do.
Actually, we don't need Task Manager.
Only
Now,
show me the documents that has open.
yeah, close Task Manager.
Okay.
And then right click on an empty space on the taskbar. Then we have lock the taskbar. Does lock the taskbar have a check mark to the left?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
No,
So,
mine doesn't.
okay, so
doesn't say
leave yours alone. Everyone
Leave
else,
my.
yeah, everyone else that has a check mark to the left of lock the taskbar, click on it. Okay, now put your mouse pointer at the top edge of the taskbar, and it will change to a double-sided white arrow.
Yeah.
You got it?
What is it?
Yes.
Put your mouse pointer at the very top of the taskbar, and your arrow will change to a double-sided white arrow. Did you get it?
Yes.
Tamene, did you get it?
No, I didn't get it.
Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, I click on the.
No, I didn't say to click. No, you're not understanding what I said because I didn't say to click.
Okay.
I said to put your mouse pointer right there at the very top of the taskbar.
Okay.
The very top of the taskbar, and it's going to change to a double-sided, the arrow, the mouse pointer is going to change to a double-sided white arrow.
Yes.
Did it change?
Yes.
Okay, now click, hold, and drag up. You can resize the taskbar. So if you put too many things on the taskbar, you can resize it so that you can see all of it. But then of course you'll see less of your screen.
Mm.
Okay, click to drag it back down.
Oh,
Now, let's right click on the empty space on the taskbar again and click lock the taskbar. And now try to do that again.
it's not.
Exactly. When you have the taskbar locked, it's not able to move. You have to unlock it to be able to move it. So let's unlock it again, because what we're going to do, you have to unlock it and for it to be able to do what we are about to do. So click lock the taskbar again. Now right click on an empty space on the taskbar and click settings. Now we get to the settings window in the taskbar page. And we can see that lock the taskbar is off. We want it off. The second one is automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So let's click on that to turn it on. Does it say on now?
Yeah,
Okay.
Which one do we
Click on
automatically hide.
Oh, we
Miss
turn it on.
Yolanda, why I don't have the choice?
I
That's
don't
normal?
know.
But it's okay, I need my taskbar anyway. Maybe it's my computer, it's okay.
my taskbar setting doesn't have a choice any also.
Automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode.
No,
No, I don't have it.
Yolanda.
Did you look at all of them?
I have them for me.
Huh?
I have an
Yes, sir.
automatic hide and the taskbar.
Go ahead, Abraham, I didn't hear you.
I have automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode.
You have it.
On.
I
So-
have it too. Do we
You have
turn it
it
on?
too.
Do we
I
turn
did
it
it.
on? Yes,
I
we
did it too.
So if you have it, click on it to turn it on.
Okay.
It comes again.
Oh, already.
Okay.
When you turn it on, the whole taskbar is gone,
No.
for me anyway.
For me too.
Yes, but put your mouse
Yes.
pointer back on it, down by the taskbar. What happens?
Oh, you can, it will pick up and then go down and up.
Right, every time you put your mouse pointer down there, it shows up.
Goes up.
And then if you move your mouse pointer, it disappears. That's what that does.
Okay. Interesting.
Okay, let's go back to the settings window. Let's turn it off. So click on it to turn it off.
Okay.
And then we have automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. So we don't have tablet mode, so let's not touch that. Use small taskbar buttons. Let's not touch that either. And then we have replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu when I right-click the start button or press Windows key plus X. Let's forget that one also. Next one, show badges on taskbar buttons. Let's skip that one as well. Okay, taskbar location on screen. The default is where?
Button.
Yes.
That's button.
So let's click that. Let's click left. There we go. Let's click it again. Let's click top.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Let's click it again. Let's click right.
Oh, okay, this is perfect.
Let's click it again. Let's click bottom.
Yeah, I like bottom better.
Combine taskbar buttons. Okay, notification area. Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Turn system icons on or off. Multiple displays, show taskbar buttons on, combine buttons on other taskbars. How do I customize taskbars? Okay, let's go back to the top. And let's click lock the taskbar. And it's locked again. Now we can close settings. Any questions?
Lock the taskbar on or off.
Click on it. It should say off right now. So you want to click on it to, oh, no, wait, lock the taskbar. Should be what? Off?
On.
Be on.
Lock the taskbar should be on right now.
Should be on.
Now it's on.
Right. So now close it. So now nothing will move the taskbar. You can't move it, you can't change it because it's locked. It's locked into place. Any other questions?
Ms. Yolanda,
Yes.
on where it says combination taskbar button, what is in the button in the square? Is it always hide label?
No, we didn't touch that one. Leave that one alone.
I did. That's why I'm asking what's in there.
I don't know.
Okay. I'll ask the rest of them.
Okay.
So the taskbar, we put them back off or we leaving on? And the lock?
On.
On?
Oh, where it says lock the taskbar on?
It should be on.
Okay.
Okay.
You should never be able to get the double arrow when you put your mouse pointer at the top of the taskbar now.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
All right.
And it gets a little disorientating when it disappears, the taskbar disappears, and you're like, oh no, where's my taskbar? Where did it go? Right? Until you put your mouse pointer down and okay, it comes back.
And
It takes a while to get used to that.
yeah. Also, Miss Yolanda, remember that didn't have the option when we tried to lock the taskbar. All the options you was talking about, I can find it in the setting, in the setting right now. All the options you was verbalized to the guy to do it. I have it in that one.
Where?
In the one that we was working, the last one.
That's
in
the one.
the taskbar setting.
That's where you're supposed to find it.
Yeah, no, but remember when you say that lock the taskbar, I didn't have the iron on the left side, so you say leave it alone. But now in this one, I can find the same information.
Oh. Okay. So, any other questions about?
We go to do the Cortana?
Yes. No questions?
No.
Okay, great.
I have a question, Mr. Yolanda. On the setting,
One second, hold on 1 second. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Okay, so
I noticed.
Yes. Go ahead.
For the setting, there was an arrow on the top on the left. I press the arrow and it gives me window setting. And there I have system, device, photo, network, and internet.
In the settings?
Yeah, when we press the empty space of the taskbar, then we press setting, to open another window. On the top, on the left, there's an arrow. I press the arrow, it gives me another page. I have the system, device, phone, network, and internet.
Oh, you mean home? You clicked home.
No, I didn't click home. I just clicked to go back.
Oh, okay. You have an arrow in yours. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's home that you went to.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's where you find everything on the home page. And then from the home page, you can go to different places. Okay, so now we are going to talk about Cortana and get help. So firstly, I want you to see if you can get your Cortana activated. So go ahead to your taskbar, click Cortana, and see what it says.
Ms. Yolanda?
Yes.
Should we close the taskbar or just leave it alone?
What do I say about closing stuff?
Okay.
Minimize.
I'm sorry.
They say sign in with a,
What?
Cortana is not available with this account because I signed with my account.
Which account did you sign in with?
The one that you told me with my email.
Your Outlook?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so maybe you need your student email account. Okay.
You want to sign up?
What's that?
You want us to sign in?
Does it say sign in?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, use your student school email account.
Yolanda,
Yes.
let's get you signed in. It says Microsoft account and work or school accounts. So should I use Microsoft? There's two choices.
No, I said to use your school email account.
Which is, alrighty, got it.
Because Judita already used her Microsoft account and it said it was the wrong account.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be home tomorrow?
Yes.
We want to come back and fix the toilet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we'll probably be back tomorrow if you're gonna be home.
Okay, great. Be right back. Thank you.
Is the password changing me?
Which password?
Just the one which I sign in with the school email for micro.
When was the last time you used it?
Yes, yes, it is. It was changing me.
Gotta look for it.
Your school email? Masada?
Yes, ma'am. My school email didn't work, so I'm trying to remember or look for the.
Yeah, actually Microsoft email account.
Microsoft email didn't work. So I just go back and.
I use my school email account.
You got it?
Its username may be incorrect.
You got it?
No, it tell me my username may be incorrect. I checked, I didn't misspelled. I check again.
So your school email didn't work.
Yeah, it just this username may be incorrect, but I checked it again.
Yeah, me too.
I spelled it right.
It's asking the Microsoft account, not the school account.
It's working? Oh, okay. So use your Microsoft Outlook account.
Yeah, that's what.
The Outlook, your first name, last 6 digits of your student ID at outlook.com. That one.
Look, it's different.
Sorry. My first name. Okay, my first name. The my 6 numbers, 35 at outlook.com.
Mm-hmm.
Cortana. Okay.
Yeah, I use my Microsoft account and get in. Now they ask us to help protect our account. So they ask what security information do you like to add? So we need to add some information.
Repeat that?
Yeah, a phone number, maybe we have other options. Let me see.
Okay, then. So tell you what, we are not going to, if you are able to sign in, try to sign in at home, okay? I mean, at home. We're not in the classroom.
Yeah, I cannot sign in either way. I tried it 3 ways and I couldn't sign in.
Okay. Okay. So I'll ask IT about that, about what's happening with that, and find out what, and I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Work either.
So, but Tiki got in. You got in, right, Tiki?
Yes.
Are you able to use, see if you're able to use Cortana. Say, hey, Cortana, open Word 2016.
I enter my password, it still find the page. So it didn't, it gives me, it doesn't look like you are connected to internet. Check your connection and try again.
So she's not connected also.
Oh, okay. Okay, so Cortana helps you. Cortana is like a personal assistant, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you are a celebrity, celebrities have personal assistants, right? They need someone to go to the cleaners for them. Hey, assistant, go to the cleaners, pick this up. Hey, assistant, go to the grocery store and bring my groceries for me. Hey, assistant, turn on the TV for me. Hey, assistant, pick up the children from daycare for me. Hey, assistant, schedule my appointments for me, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what an assistant does, right? The next best thing that many of us have is Cortana. We can't pay an assistant. Many of us can't pay an assistant to do all the goodies that we need done. So we get Cortana to do this, or we get Alexa to do that, or all of those good things. And notice that these things are specific things that these assistants can do. Now I want you to go to the Start button, click on it, go to the Start menu, and scroll down until you get to Get Help. Christina, I might need you to show your Get Help. I don't have Get Help.
Okay, let me 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Get Help. Did everyone find Get Help?
Yes.
Yes.
Anyone not find Get Help?
I don't have it either, Miss Yolanda.
You don't have it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, your computer doesn't have it. Oh. Workness, you got it?
Yes.
Could you share it with us?
Okay. Do I have to click on get help or not?
Yes, click on it.
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead. Everyone else, go ahead and click on get help.
Do you allow me to share?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it?
this is, yes, thank you. This is what get help looks like. It says, I am the Microsoft virtual agent. Notice that it's different from Microsoft virtual assistant. The assistant is Cortana. The agent, the virtual agent is get help.
But mine looks different than that one.
Mine didn't show up actually.
I might say I am a
Mine-
Microsoft agent. Yeah, but the hair, this is the one, the hair doesn't say that.
Mine doesn't allow me
You wanna see my screen?
No. Jose, go ahead.
Mine doesn't allow me to go through. I
Mine
tried to click on it and
Yep.
it
What
doesn't
does
show.
it say? What does it say?
It doesn't work. Nothing
Doesn't-
at all. Just
Okay, hold on. Let me write that down.
Yeah, mine are the same. It has a question mark on it.
When are you available, Jose? So that if they can come get to your computer, it will be virtually. They will connect to your computer virtually and fix it.
okay. Today by 3 o'clock.
You are available until 3
Yes.
every day?
Yes.
Okay. And you, Meseret?
Also available anytime. Let's say between, yeah, till 3 o'clock today.
Till 3 o'clock every day?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else having problems with it?
Oh, no.
Okay. So it says, I am the Microsoft virtual agent. I'd love to help you. Please briefly describe your issue. Before we continue, I'd like to notify you that some Microsoft services are currently experiencing issues. If you'd like to know more, you can check service status with the link below or continue describe what you need to help. So let's say we need help. Oh, I have side by side now. Let me see, oh no, it's not the same side by side. Okay, it's not the same side by side. Okay. So let's say Worknish.
Yes.
Down at the bottom where it says reset my Microsoft account password. Type that again. Reset my Microsoft account password.
On the address bar?
In Get Help. At the bottom where it says reset my
Microsoft. Okay, so
yeah, type the same thing. Reset my Microsoft account password. Type that.
Doesn't do anything.
Oh my God. Reset by.
My, not by. Not
Oh,
by,
okay.
not
Yeah.
by.
Sorry. My.
Click on that. There it is. Click on it. Reset Microsoft account password. Click on it. Yeah.
Yeah, click on the on.
Yeah. Press. Oh, okay. There. It gives you instructions, right?
Yeah.
Scroll up a little bit so that everyone can see.
Up, okay.
Reset your password. It gives you instructions on how to reset your password. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down some more.
Yes, it's a yes or no, that's it, I guess.
Click no. Okay, so if it says no, that the instructions that they provided was not useful, why were you unable to reset your password? I have access to security info, but I didn't receive a security code. I cannot access the alternate email or phone. Click I cannot access the alternate
I cannot.
Okay, so you see it continues to give you assistance with any problem that you might have. And then if it gets to a point where it's not able to help you in this manner, it will give you an option to contact a person. And then you'll be able to speak to a person on the phone. I'm not sure if you get to speak to the person through the Get Help. Maybe you get to speak to the person through the Get Help. But you can see that Get Help is to help you with problems, whereas Cortana is to help you with wants. What do you want? What do you want? And Cortana will help with that. But what do you need? And Get Help will help you with that. Any questions? Okay.
That's interesting.
So we'll do a little bit more with it tomorrow.
Okay.
So
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Oh, right, not tomorrow, on Thursday. Oh, tomorrow.
Which tomorrow? Oh, Wednesday.
Yeah,
Sorry.
so I need you to work with a partner tomorrow. So does everyone know how to set up Zoom accounts, Zoom meetings?
No,
No?
I don't.
Okay, so then maybe you can contact your partner via Remind. There's a phone via Remind. So you can just contact your partner via Remind in the morning. Okay, I will give you information on who your partner is going to be.
Where is it be a remind? In Schoology?
Remind now on your
Phone.
on your phone.
My
You don't
phone?
have Remind?
No. Let me see.
Didn't set to remind.
Huh?
Miss Yolanda,
1
Let
second,
me
please.
try.
1 second.
No, I don't see remind in mine.
Okay, so you need to download, go to the whatever store you have for your phone and download Remind. Vicky, what were you saying about Remind?
I said that we didn't download the Remind.
Oh, you didn't download it either?
So how we going and to
did.
down remind?
You go to the store, the phone store, wherever you go
Like
to.
Apple? Apple?
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay.
So Tiki, you need to do that. Anyone else doesn't have Remind? So Tiki, are you able to do that?
It's on the Schoology.
No, on your
No.
phone.
Apple.
I mean the instruction to download it.
No, have you never downloaded an app on your phone?
No,
No?
no.
Okay. Are you able to stay today after class?
Yes,
What type of phone do you have?
iPhone.
Okay, so I have an iPhone. Okay, so we'll work on that.
Okay.
Everyone else okay?
Yes.
I stay
Okay.
too because I don't have it.
Okay, you have iPhone?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, everyone. I'm gonna put the work on, where do I usually put the classwork? Oh, in the folder.
Work alone.
Right, in the work alone folder in Schoology. And I'm going to assign you a partner. So you're gonna work with that person tomorrow. So you could either create a meeting on Schoology, or you could call the person on Remind. And you can either text on Remind or call on Remind. So you can call the person on Remind, okay?
Okay.
If you have any problems calling on Remind, you can't figure out how to do it, call us and we'll help you out with that, okay?
I got a question.
Yes.
So are all of us are number in the Remind, or how do we know?
Huh? What's that?
Our phone number, is it in the Remind?
No, they don't use your phone number. They use a different number.
Okay.
So whoever you call is not going to know that it's you.
Okay.
So class, do expect that someone in the morning is going to call you, might call you via Remind to set up how you're going to work with your assignment for tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have a good afternoon and see you tomorrow. Sorry for keeping you so late.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
We're gonna
A ver,
Monday to go.
Go ahead, Helen.
Yeah,
no way.
it's,
Is that one?
it's for my assignment, the questions on the taskbar. I submitted.
Let's go in.
After I submit, I didn't see the sign for resubmit. So I'm not sure whether I submitted or not.
What's the name?
Questions for taskbar.
Questions of taskbar.
Yeah.
It shows that you didn't get a grade.
You're already grade?
You did not get a grade?
Taskbar, let me see. So. No, questions about the taskbar. I didn't get a grade.
It doesn't show that it was submitted.
Oh, so that's what's it. So when I submit, usually I will see the resubmit, but this time I didn't resubmit. So I feel puzzled. So I'm not sure whether I submit or not.
Yeah, no, it wasn't submitted.
So can I submit again?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, so Judita and Tiki. So you have to go to your phone.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.
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 See you tomorrow. See you on Thursday.
Okay, thank you.
So have the two of you been getting the weekly bulletin information about what's happening during the week?
No.
No? Ah. Okay, so you have to go to your phone and go to App Store.
Mm-hmm.
And down at the bottom where it says search, click on, tap on that. And then in the box at the top, type remind.
Reminders.
Remind.
R-E-M-I-N-D. Remind. Remind school communications or plain remind?
School communication.
Okay.
Click get. And once you click get, you have to sign in. I don't know how you have your phone set up to download apps.
I did.
I have a problem with my password, so let me see what it is.
You installed already, Tiki?
Yes.
Oh, that was fast.
Enter your password, Hotmail. Okay. That was fast. Sorry. Hotmail. Gmail. Okay. I cannot go in. I have a problem and I need with my password. So I got to try to do an alone. So you get in remind and remind school, right? And what is the next step?
Download it.
And that's
install it. Install it. I think it's install. Yeah.
Yeah, school and communication. Okay. Okay, so install, and after that, that's it?
And then you have to join the class. I'm gonna have to give you the code.
Okay.
Are you ready for the code, Tiki?
Yes.
Okay, let me get you the code.
First, they say enter address or phone number.
Code? The say code, enter code?
No, they say email address or phone number.
Oh, your email address.
Okay.
Or enter your phone number. Enter your phone number. That's better.
Yeah, now you're. Okay, they say create a password.
Create a password. Go ahead. And if it's something different than what you usually use, write it down.
Okay, I'm here. Get started.
What does it say?
Get started.
Okay, click get started.
Invite and message.
Repeat that.
Invite and message. Invite and message. They say search another, search anyone at your school on remainder and start it. What's the network for tonight? When are you meeting for our student group? Let's coordinate who's driving to the game. That is the step 2. Now someone else who should be loaded in, invite and message peers, family member or colleague.
It doesn't say what school or?
No, it didn't say no, the school. I skipped that one. Maybe the school is.
Does it say skip?
Yeah, you can skip.
Yeah, go ahead.
I skip, we give him elementary grade 4. See all class are current. I think you connect me with my my son class. I don't know.
Oh.
He connect me with my son class because I see his teacher's name.
So you passed something that where you had to choose a school.
Mm.
Can you go back?
I'm trying to look if I can go back. Ah, yes. I have here, create a class, join. Yes, join a class, school. Yes, I have my son's school and my school. Yes.
Oh, you have Carlos Rosario?
Yeah, I have staff, Carlo Rosario International Public. Then I have my son's school. So I have to choose Carlo Rosario, right?
Yeah.
So it is.
And I'll give you the code number.
Oh, but give me my last semester teachers' names.
Doesn't it give you an option to enter a class code?
No.
Go back again.
Here, Michelle Flo, Mr. Hayer, Patricia de Ferrari. I don't know. They're in the V Street there. The other campus.
Isn't there some place where you can enter a class code?
Let me see. Okay, I have here all class.
Oh no.
I have name of teacher. I think I have to enter the name of teacher.
Okay, go ahead. Yolanda, Y-O.
It's already right there. Computer Basics 2 a.m. hour.
Oh, yes, yes. Click on that.
I click on it. But yeah, they say you have been enrolled from Computer Basics 2. I don't know.
That
Maybe
you what? You are enrolled?
Yeah. You have been enrolled from Computer Basics 2 a.m.
You have been disenrolled?
You have been unenrolled.
Unenrolled?
Yes, unenrolled.
Why?
I don't know.
Can you choose to re-enroll? Do you have an option?
I'm trying to look for the option.
Let me try my Mac. See.
No, I think it's a message they sent to me.
Oh, okay.
It's a message. Because I have here the last message. There has been a change with the food distribution on Wednesday. I think it will be from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. It will happen rain or shining, meaning that if it rain, it will still take place. They sent it on Monday, 28th September. So I think.
Okay, so that means that you should show up in my list.
Where's my mouse and my Apple? Try to enter my Apple. My mouse here.
Then I have on the top here, the same messaging is not available.